Hope all of you are very fine. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. Number 10. Kalpazan. The series follows the honest Adam who works as an ordinary clerk at the mint. Adam turns his life upside down with the surprise he makes for his son Arda. What makes like an innocent gesture leads to an irreversible downfall to Adam's life, bringing him to the brink of losing his job, his wife Janan, and even his son. Things take a further turn for the worse with the arrival of his charismatic yet cunning brother Kartal during this difficult period. As the two brothers challenge the law, the only person who can bring about their downfall is Police Inspector Aisha. Kartal's unexpected encounter with Aisha and his subsequent love for her will shift the balance entirely. Number 9. Ayazin Sonu Gunesh. Gunesh is a young woman who has just graduated from university and is about to go to London to pursue her ideals. She is forced to give up all her dreams when her brother is imprisoned as a result of a slander. Vowing to save her brother from the hell he has fallen into, Gunesh infiltrates the life of Ayaz, who she thinks is the cause of this situation. Ayaz is unaware that he will pay with love for the big mistake he caused while trying to protect the conglomerate he inherited and his loved ones. While Ayaz, who has been used to living behind the walls he has built in his heart for years, breaks down these walls with the presence of Gunesh. Gunesh cannot avoid being caught between his feelings and revenge. Number 8. Ian Oda. Sevgi Arsoy, a famous TV presenter whose career was on the decline, suddenly marries Fikrat Alabek, one of the country's leading businessmen. This unexpected marriage shocks everyone. Both Sevgi and Fikrat have had unhappy marriages in the past. They now want to live out their second chances, but it won't be easy. Their marriage means their very different families will come together. The cohabitation of these two very different families under one roof will create bigger problems than Sevgi and Fikrat anticipated, changing the lives of all family members, especially their children Tylan and Shilil, who are forced to live in adjacent rooms. Number 7. Galen. Growing up without knowing her parents, the orphaned Hanjar learned at an early age to fight against life challenges. Since she has no one but her brother, she has become a warrior young woman who stands on her own 2 feet. Hanjar is ready to do anything to save her sick brother from this challenging life. Jihan, the sole heir of a wealthy family, accepted the idea of an arranged marriage from his mother Muqaddar, who told him that he must have a son to continue their noble bloodline. Muqaddar is attracted by Hanja's beauty and finds her suitable for her son. Although she does not like the idea, Hanjar accepts this marriage in order to cover her brother's treatment expenses. Number 6. Ghaddar. When Aidan broke his heart, Dagan thought his life was over. He abandoned his home, signed up for the army, and ended up in a special unit fighting in the east. Now, after 2 years of hard duty, Dagan service is over and it's time to come home. But home is not as Dagan remembers it. His family is shattered, and his old neighborhood has given way to dark neighborhood. Aiden is gone, and even the old friends who remain all seem to be caught up in shady pursuits. When his loved ones come into danger, Dagan reluctantly accepts an offer to become a professional hitman. But even a hitman needs a code, and sometimes extraordinary circumstances can turn an ordinary man into a hero, especially when Aiden suddenly reappears in Dagan's life. Number 5. Yali Chapkani. Hali Saga is the owner of a large jewelry empire and the head of the Korhan family. Even though his son Orhan and oldest grandson Fuad run most of the business, he still makes the most important decisions in the company. His younger grandson Farid, who is the total opposite of his brother Fuad, is a very irresponsible young bachelor who just returned from abroad where he went to study. Halis can't take any more of Ree's recklessness and he charges his widowed daughter-in-law, Ifakat, with finding him a nice girl to marry. The news that Halis Saga is looking for a bride for his grandson comes like a bolt from the blue into Kazem's mansion in Gaziantep. Kazem's only hope to get rich are his beautiful daughters Suna and Seyran. Number 4. Uzak Shahar. Alia Al Boram arrives in Mardain with her late husband's funeral and their 5-year-old son to fulfill her husband's last will. However, this arrival marks a point of no return and there is no way out of Albora. The head of the Albora tribe, Jihan Albora, is no indifferent to Alia's struggles, but he refuses to let her take her child and leave. And confronting the darkness of the past, hidden secrets, and the harsh realities of the region, Alia Albora finds herself caught in a fierce struggle with her late husband's family. Number 3. Bir Sevdadir. In the southeast region of Turkey, 17-year-old Yeşil is raped by her uncle's son and becomes pregnant as she is about to marry the man who rapes her. Ersan, who is serving in the region, kidnaps her from her wedding. However, the groom and his family pursue the fugitives, and the bride and the soldier are captured. The groom kills Ersan and Yeşil kills the groom. Yeşil goes to prison and grows up there with her two children, a boy and a girl. When Yeşil is released, she wants to ensure the safety of her children. Knowing that Tufan will not spare the tribe's blood, Yeşil devises a plan. Upon her release, she will approach Ersan's family and claim that Ersan is the father of her children. Number 2. Shahane Hayatam. From the shimmering skylines of Dubai to the sun soaked shores of Miami, Shahane Hayatam follows the journey of Shabnam, an anti heroine born from adversity who claws her way to the top of society's ladder. Shabnam was a scholarship kid attending an elite school where she was bullied by rich students, parents, and even some who are teachers. Despite her brains, no one thought she would make it to this level. But with a dash of plastic surgery and unwavering ambition, Shabnam seizes the ultimate prize, a wealthy husband named Unur. Their union promises luxury, privilege, and envy of all who bear witness. However, the illusion crumbles when the ghost of Shabnam's past resurfaces, threatening her picture perfect existence. Number 1. Hadutsu Sevda. Hadutsu Sevda is the story of Halil Ibrahim Karasu, who returns to the Black Sea region of his birth. Halil was forced to flee when he was just 5 years old after his father was murdered by the local crime boss Rizwan Lito. 20 years later, Halil came home to marry his childhood sweetheart Yasmin. But when Rizwan's son murders Yasmin, his mission takes on a whole new direction. Halil becomes a one-man army with the sole purpose of destroying Rizwan Lito. Halil gains some unexpected allies as he works his way through Rizwan's criminal operations, including Rizwan's daughter Zainab. Zainab wants to move on from the illegitimate life, and once she learns the truth about what her family did to Halil, she has no choice but to help him. If you like our video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this.